Want to know how to blend your oil pastels like a pro? Let's check out. My paper here, which is taped down with the help of masking tape. And for now, I'm using watercolor paper, but you can use oil pastel paper or a cartridge sheet is always good. Most of my paintings are done in cartridge sheet, so you can even use that. And here I have few sets of colors, so I have arranged colors from light to darker tone. So why I have done this, I'm just going to show you. And here again the another color range starting from lighter blue to the darkest tone, same here. Now let's see how we can combine all the colors and how we can get the smooth gradient, multiple gradient with the help of oil pastel. So first I'm going to use the darkest tone. So I have this tone here which is quite dark, it's a magenta tone, and here I'm going to layer. Just to display I'm using a bit darker, but this is not exactly what I do. And half, after doing half, I'm going to switch my color. So this is little bit lighter than this color, which is deep merit. And here again I'm just going to continue, and whenever you are continuing with the another color, make sure you are overlapping the first color and then continuing that forward. You doesn't have to make or fix all the things here, just keep moving and maintain one pressure. So you can keep your pressure like light to medium pressure, and then I'm switching to third color which is red. So again I'm going to start from the half overlapping and then I'll move forward. Again I'm going to switch my color, so this is orange, again half overlapping. And then I'm going to switch my color again. This is yellowish orange, half overlapping, move forward. Again I can switch my color, so this is the yellow, deep yellow color. And then last one is the lighter yellow. So it's a light yellow, half overlapping, and then I can move forward. So we have started from darkest tone to the lightest tone. So mostly these tones we use for the sunset kind of scenes, or where we want to show the glowing kind of paintings. So we use that. And then what I'm going to do, simply I need something. So I can use a blender. For blending, I can even use my fingertip, or I can use this tissue paper. So I have this paper towel. And simply I'm going to fold this, make it small, quite small, and then this. Now we have to use this surface, the flat one, not this part, only I want this one. So simply I can this way slowly go and I can blend the layers. Don't put too much pressure. How much pressure you need, it depends upon your pastel quality. So if your pastels are a bit hard, so then you can apply the pressure higher, and if pastels are soft, so in that case you can keep your pressure light. So I'm not putting too much pressure. My pressure is medium now. Okay, and this way we have got the smooth blending. Now even you can use your finger, and this way you can go in a circular motion. Make sure your fingertips are nicely clean. And this way, circular motion, we can go. And we can blend the pastels. Another one I'm going to show you with the blue color. So again, you can see I have a good range of blue. This is not exactly the blue color, but few are violets. I have ultramarine, Persian blue, cobalt blue, and then different blues. So you can use any range, but it should be from lighter to darker tone. So same I'm going to do here. I'm going to layer the darker tone. This is actually a violet color. And then I'm going to use Persian blue. So again, half overlapping and then half overlapping, and then I can move forward. Now I'll switch my color. So this one, which is cobalt blue, again half overlapping. So simply we can use some lighter tone. So I have a white color here. First of all, I'll make sure I'll clean the tip of the color. It should be nicely clean. And then first I will add white, and then on top I can use same color again, this one, and this way I'll get the lighter. So I have different kind of blue. It's already looking like a good gradient. Again, I can do the same thing. I need one tissue paper, fold it, I want good round surface here. And then always start your blending from lighter to dark. If by mistake you start from darker to light, so your lighter colors will also get this impression. So it will not be that much bright tones. So I'm slowly with my medium pressure, I'm going to continue. And it's not necessary to fill all the pores or textures or tooth, because this is a property of oil pastels, and oil pastel should look like oil pastels. It gives a beautiful impression, raw kind of feeling. So I love to keep those kind of textures or paper white somewhere here and there. You can fix that, it's not an issue, but still if you keep it, it looks nice. So here you can see I got the smooth blending here, and then again I can go with my finger, and this way. It's not necessary, it's completely optional, but if you want to do, you can do it. This way you can get a more smoothness in your work. And we are done with the grading. This is the one of the most important technique and the basic which can help you to create a wonderful paintings with oil pastels. So just keep practicing. This is really very important. and I hope you understand what I did. Now I'm waiting for your results. Keep practicing. Oh, so my masking tape is bit, it's quite sticky and it damaged my paper. Oh, it's so bad. See, this is the condition of my paper right now. It's a bad one, bad quality. I have to change this. Or simply just to avoid this kind of mistakes, that your most of the paper is stuck to your masking tapes. So just before peeling, add a blow dryer here onto the corners or where you have added the tape. That way it will melt that heavy gum and it will not going to affect your paper. So it's a mistake that I have done, but that was not the purpose. The purpose of video here is to show you how to get these smooth backgrounds. And that's how you blend your oil pastels like a pro. Now try it yourself and share the results.